Okay guys, I'm going to show how to analyze some malware using Windows environment. So most of the time malware analyzers use Linux environment, Kali Linux, Ubuntu, this environment, but I'm going to show how to analyze some malware using Windows. So you need two Windows virtual machines, Windows 7 and Windows XP. This is my infected machine, the malware infected machine. So to do this malware analyze, you need a Flare VM. You need to install a Flare VM to your Windows 7. I'll show you how to install it. I have already installed that Flare VM to my Windows 7 machine. So I'll show you how to install it. So go to Flare VM GitHub link and download the zip file code. After that you need to unzip it. So and you need that Windows PowerShell updated to 5.1. So you need to run as administrator. Go to your PowerShell and you need to check your PowerShell version. Type get and host, select object and version. Now you can get the version 5.1. okay, now I'm going to get that unzip file. You can this is my unzip file. You can get this direction using copy this path. Go to PowerShell and type cd and copy paste it, press enter. Now you can see the directories inside that folder. These are the directories. Before install this Flare VM, we need to set policy. Set execution policy. Type unrestricted. Press enter. You need to type yes. Why? Okay. Now we can run this Flare VM. Install PS1. Then press R. It is asking credentials, your user credential. You need to use your password. So after this point, it takes some time. It's up to your network. It can be a 1 hour or it can be a 2 hours or 3 hours. So this how to, after enter your password, is starting to download, install all the packages. It takes some time. So this is how to download Flare VM. So after download it, you can see these are some packages installed, forensics and other old packages. So I'm going to use to do this malware analysis this volatility tool. So guys, let's start this malware analysis. So before I'm going to use this infected machine. So this is the malware infected machine, Windows XP machine. I'm going to get a dump memory in this infected machine. So this is a dump it software, dump it tool. You need this dump it tool to get this dump value. Go to command prompt. Go to this folder, this inside this dump it folder. This is my path to this folder. dump it, and I'm going to run this dump it exe file. It's asked why. Continue. You need to press Y. It is processing. You can see the image file. It takes some time. Don't do anything after pop up successful in this command prompt. We need to wait for that. So guys, you can get malwares, some free malwares. I'll show you some website after the video. After do this video is success. So now we can get this dump value. You can copy it to your pen drive. You don't need to worry this it's not infected your pen drive because it's an image file. So I'm going to rename it to this Tilina. You need to copy it to your pen drive, and you can or you can share it using share folder. You can share it to your Windows 7 machine also. So you can copy it to your Windows 7 machine. So guys, I have already copied to my Windows 7 machine. So I'm here this forensics. You can see I have copied that that dump memory to this Windows 7 machine. So now I'm going to run this volatility tool. You need to that copy it to that your volatility folder. Okay, it is running. Okay, it's finished. So let's see. These are the helping words. What are the options? H help, D debug, F file name, and the location. What are the profiles inside that machine, that dump memory, and what are the info. These are the some supported plugin commands. Here you can see that image info. We can get identify information for the image, and PS list. What are the print all running processes by following the e-process list, and we can get some proc dump, the dump process to an executable file sample. So I'm going to copy this path in this file. Okay, type directory. These are the directories, raw Tilina raw, that image file. So guys, now I'm going to get that image info inside this Tilina image, that dump memory. You need to type volatility dash F. You need to give that image name and image info. So guys, this takes some time, 1 to 3 minutes. We need to wait for that. Let's see. The image info means identify information for the image. We need to identify what are the information inside that image, that dump memory. We need to wait for some time. So let's see. Okay guys, it's finished. So actually you need to get a small malware for your first malware analyze. Don't try to big malware. So I'll show you after this tutorial what are the website you can get freely available malware. So these are the profiles, include that dump memory, that image, WinXP is P2 and P3. So we need to get information that inside that profile. So type volatility dash f, that image name, and you need to get profile. Type profile equal that this profile name, copy to that in here. You can copy it, select all and right click profile, and I'm going to get PS list. The PS list mean print all running processes by following the process list. You need to give PS list and press enter. This also takes some time. Let's see, we need to wait for that. Yes, okay, it is running. What are the system running inside that Windows XP machine? The services, what are the services running? Sorry. And VBox services, VirtualBox services, what are the running inside that? What are the PID? All the details include this PS list. What are the processes running? So system, SMSs, winglog on, every services running inside these processes that Windows XP machine. These are the normal processes you can see, but in this process, this malware process is include. You can see what are the same malware in different processes. These are our dumped file, the last processed. Now we need to identify what is the malware. These are the normal processors, but these are different process. These are different name and default value. So guys, now I'm going to give another command called ps3. So let's see what is this ps3. So ps3 means print process list as a tree. So now I'm going to give that command. We need to give profile, the same profile, and ps3. Press enter. Let's see. So it takes some time. Okay. This is the process tree. So you can see some systems that are running processes. So this is a parent process. These are the is child, you can see these dotted in here. So this is services.exe, and this is a system. Inside that system running these processes up to this point. You can see this SMSs exe file to elsas exe. This is another process, explorer. Inside that process, it is running these processors. So this is that malware infected one. So guys, now I'm going to get the path to find where these malware installed. So for that I'm going to give the command called cmd line. Cmd line display processes command line arguments. So then we can get a path where this malware infected file installed. This is that hash value, that malware. So now I'm going to give that command volatility dash f the file name, then we need to give that profile, and now we need to give that command to get that command to get path. So you need to give process ID to get that path, then give P, then I'm going to give this process ID 1868 1868 and space. Now you need to give that command called command line, CMD line, then press enter. We need to wait. So this is the location, that path that malware infected file installed. The C document and settings, the user and my document software. Then this is the path that malware infected file installed. So this is how to find the path. So I'm going to get a sample executable file. So before that, I'm going to create a new folder. So guys, you can create a new folder. You need to create a new folder and give a proper name. So don't keep any spaces. I'm going to give dump the folder name. I'm going to copy the path in here. We need to give the path. So go to this volatility tool. Okay, type volatility -f, the file name, fill in a row, then you need to give profile equal that copied the mistake profile. We need to copy that the same profile. Okay, copy it in here. You need to give equal sign, profile equal. Okay, now you need to give that proc dump command. So that command means I'll show you this command: dump a process to an executable file sample. I'm going to get that I'm going to get that executable sample. Type this command dump space, give that process. We need to give that this PID, process ID. I'm going to give this process ID, this malware process ID. I did a mistake. Wait, guys. Dump -p 1868. Okay, now I'm going to give a directory -d. So now I'm going to give that directory path. You need to you can copy it in here, the path. Now I'm going to give that path. Okay, press enter. It takes some time, so let's wait. That yeah, let's see that executable name. Okay, this is that executable name. So you can see inside that dump folder. So now I'm going to run that virus total. You can get what are the virus, what are the malware inside that executable file. So you need to choose that created executable file, open it and uploading. We need to wait to scan it. Let's see what are the inside this folder. Yeah, you can see is a very unsafe, backdoor, Trojan, malicious. Let's see. Yeah, is include 50 engines detected this file. This is a malicious, Trojan horse, Trojan, backdoor. These are the malware, malicious code inside this file. So this is how to do a simple malware analysis using volatility tool. You can do it also using Linux environment, but in this tutorial I'll show I showed you how to do it using Windows 7 environment. Okay guys, this is how to do it. So I'll show you what are the available malware malicious sample for in freely. You can type where can I get malware samples and go to in this link, and you can see malware sample sources for researchers. You can get it in here also. These are some sites you can get freely available. I'll show you some other sites also. You can get mal code. You need to give that 0 malcode.com. This is another site you can get other samples. Your database, you can search what are the malwares include that site. So these let's see what are the others. Malware, this one, the malware domainlist.com. You can get these in here also. What are the malwares inside that include freely available malware domain list. You can say search what are the malwares inside this website. So guys, this is how to do a malware analyze using volatility tool. You can use other tools also, other forensics tools, this autopsy, Wireshark. These all tools you can use to do this, do other malware analyze. So thank you guys. I hope you can do it now. You can do a malware analyze. I hope this video is success. So do it your own malware analyze. So thank you guys, and please subscribe my channel, and please like this video, and please share and comment. So thank you guys.